DeMartino, aka Joey D, aka America's Greatest Sports Fan, aka Godfather of Sports. On Friday, September 1st, 2023, I stayed at the Hampton Inn in Stephenville, Texas, while on a sports trip. This hotel is located at 910 South Harbin Drive, Stephenville, Texas, 76401. It's at the intersection of South Harbin Drive and Highway 67. So about a quarter mile off of 67 there. Not a lot of restaurants, but nearby there was the Blue Nettle Bar and Billiards, Grumps Burger, and Pizza Hut. The parking lot appeared well lit and safe. Check-in was quick. Front desk was very polite and friendly. However, was not greeted as a Diamond member. It was not offered my complimentary water and snacks. The room was okay. They did not have a business center, which was disappointing. And the hotel appeared very clean and accommodating. So I would definitely recommend this hotel where you're in the Stephenville, Texas area. So thank you, sports fans. Have a blessed day. And please keep our first responders and military in your thoughts and prayers.